becoming south in the afternoon. Tide information. At Jones Inlet, high tide is at 2:47 a.m. Wednesday. High tide is at 2:28 a.m. Wednesday. 3:18 p.m. Wednesday. Low tide is at 9:25 a.m. Wednesday, and at 10:08 p.m. Wednesday.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 318, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following county: Fairfield County, Connecticut, and the following counties in New Jersey: Bergen, Essex, Hudson, Hunterdon, Middlesex, Monmouth, Morris, Passaic, Somerset, Sussex, and Warren, and the following counties in New York: Bronx, Brooklyn, Manhattan, Orange, Putnam, Queens, Staten Island, Rockland and Westchester, and New York Harbor. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. For the following marine locations: Long Island South Shore base from Jones Inlet to Shinnecock Bay, New York. Fire New York to Moriches Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. And Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. Southerly winds of 15 to 20 knots with gusts up to 25 knots will continue to affect the South Shore Bay.
Got any EAS, guys?
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Sussex County in northwest New Jersey. This includes the city of Montague until 7:15 p.m. At 6:20 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 6 miles northwest of Crandon Lakes, or 10 miles southwest of Montague, and moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Haynesville and 7 miles northwest of Branchville around 6:35 p.m., Montague around 6:40 p.m., Montague around 6:45 p.m., High Point and 6 miles northwest of Sussex around 6:55 p.m., High Point around 7 p.m., 7 miles northwest of Vernon Valley around 7:10 p.m. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds, destructive hail, and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows. Storms in Pennsylvania have had a history of producing destructive winds and large damaging hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Please report hail or strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877